Right, I'm just going to answer Doug's question here from the Zoho One experience. Right into a problem importing these articles. It is marking myself as the author. It isn't. It's marking you as the owner of the article. In truth, all of these articles that I am uploading from the old system are written by Translate. Yeah. So you want to make the article show who wrote it, right? There is no way of doing that in the system, and it's a bit daft that there isn't an author section or an author box. I'm not sure if you can add an author field on a knowledge base article. So what you're doing is you go into articles, you're clicking add, you're uploading from the desktop. I've got a sample. Which then populates that to whatever category you have, and then it drops you as the owner. So eventually, when it's imported this article, I'm gonna make it available to all users, and that's all you're. I'm guessing this is all you're doing. All users, publish, right? So now when you go here, it doesn't say that you're the owner though. There is no. It doesn't say who wrote it. It just shows the article. Now, if the article doesn't end with written by or credited to, I'm guessing that's what you're saying. You've got these articles that don't have that. I think you've got two options. One, and you might want to use both. When you go to edit it, you can set up your categories, which may be a little bit more awkward. You could set up your sales group categories here. So this might be sales, and then a sub sales, and then set up a category that is that author's name. That's one option, and then put all of that article, put all these articles in that category. So say I'm the author, Paul Nicholson's the author, right? So this is owner. So you're only going to get the other users in your business here, not the other, unless the article creator is in your business. You can tag them. It's the owner though. It isn't the. I mean, it sounds like the author, but it's the owner. So you're in charge of this document, not the actual writer of it. But you're the person who can edit it and change it. That's what that means. Now the other option is to put here something like author Paul Nicholson, right? And then tag that, and then just maybe even put Paul Nicholson. It's going to make it all lowercase. Paul Nicholson. However you want to do it, and then publish that. Right now, when they view that, it's going to say here tags Paul Nicholson, author Paul Nicholson. So that when they click this, they're going to get all the articles by that person. In theory, I don't think it's a great option either. And then when you go here, you can click your articles and update them by tag. Go tag and tag Paul Nicholson, or I don't even know if that word is probably going to be lowercase. Tag, and that will give all those articles the tag Paul Nicholson, right? So if I go to this one now, or if I just go to the knowledge base, there's two, and if I go file here, it's going to say tag, and then when I go back to there, it's going to, if that works. I don't know if it does. I'm not sure if you can put another file, another custom field down here. I've not seen anywhere where you can add a custom field saying tag author name, and then you can put that underneath. But I haven't seen that can be done. Failing that, you just have to copy in author. Yeah. Oh, get off. You can have to edit it and then just put at the top of it, even author Paul Nicholson, something like that, or written by, or whatever. Then go to the bottom of the article, which kind of defeats the purpose that you didn't want to have to. Oh, you didn't want to have to. Oh, my Chrome is driving me mad lately. Put the author at the bottom, publish, and then when you go to view it, oh, come on. See, when you preview it, it shows your name. That's the thing that wasn't working for me a minute. If you click preview here, it shows file sample, and then your name comes up here. But when you actually go to the knowledge base and go to that file, wherever it is, when actually go to that, if you go to the actual permalink, it doesn't show the owner. If somebody within your organization views it, it will show your name. But when you publish it and then go to this permalink, which is the actual... Oh, what the hell is my Chrome doing? Go! It doesn't actually show the name, so it's not ideal. And there may be ways of tagging it other ways, but there is no... You are not being tagged as the article creator. You're being tagged as the article owner, or it is adding you as the owner, not the writer of the article, if that makes sense. So this wasn't an answer, but I think tags here may be the only way you can do it for now.